Today we will learn vowels and consonants. If you notice that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Now if you look at these words, some letters in these words are underlined. Letters like A, U, E, I, A, O. The letters underlined are A, E, I, O, U. 5 letters are underlined. Why do you think it is so? The letters A, E, I, O and U are underlined in these words because these are 5 special letters in English alphabet. 5 special letters. These are A, E, I, O, U, and we call them as vowels. The other letters are called consonant. So there are 26 letters in English alphabet which include vowels and consonants. A, E, I, O, U are 5 letters which are also special letters which have name vowels. The remaining 21 letters are consonants. Thank you.